welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to explain the difference between RPM and CPM and how you can make more money on YouTube. How much YouTube pay per 1k views? Sometimes it depends. It can be sometimes $4, sometimes $5, sometimes 6, sometimes 9, sometimes 10. It can also be as well sometimes $20 per 1k view. But how does this come about? So in today's video I'm going to explain to you what is CPM and what RPM means. So many people are going after what we call the CPM, but to be honest, the truth is that you should go for RPM instead of CPM, because RPM is the amount YouTube really pay you per 1k view, not the CPM. RPM is a metric that represents how much you have earned for 1,000 views on YouTube. RPM is based on several revenue sources such as ad, channel membership, super chat, YouTube premium, and so on, and super sticker as well. So this is what RPM is all about. CPM is cost per 1,000 impressions. CPM is the metric that shows how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on your YouTube channel. Sometimes you can make up to $20 to $30 from 1,000 views on YouTube. How is this possible? I'm going to explain to you, so stay tuned and watch to the end. RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, while CPM is cost per 1,000 views. Let me explain this for you so you can understand. RPM is revenue per 1,000 views, which means this RPM is the amount of money YouTube pay you for 1,000 views. For instance, if you have 1,000 views on your videos, this amount is what they are going to pay you. Sometimes it can be $4 per 1,000 views, sometimes it can be $10 to $15 per 1,000 views, while sometimes it could be 0.59 cents per 1,000 views, depending on the kind of video you uploaded. Why the CPM is cost per 1,000 views. This one is the amount of money that the advertiser pay per 1,000 views on your channel. This means if you have a 1,000 views on your channel, advertisers pay this sum amount of money to advertise their product across your YouTube channel. Sometimes the CPM can be $45 per 1,000 views, sometimes it can be $54 per 1,000 views, while sometimes it can be $50 per 1,000 views on the CPM. This money is not your own, it's for the company, which is YouTube. So the CPM is not your own, it is only the RPM that is your own money. So if you check your analytics, you see on the video, when you click on the video, on a particular video, when you click on it, it will show revenue like the RPM on top, then the CPM at the lower part of the video in your analytics. So you will now check this other first one, which is the RPM, is your own money. That's how much YouTube pay you per 1,000 views. Why the CPM is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views. This can decrease and it can also increase. For instance, in some of my videos about YouTube monetization, YouTube education, I remember I posted some video last week and I saw the CPM about $54 per 1,000 views, while the RPM was around $12 per 1,000 views. But the funniest part is that that video has not getting up to 500 views, but with time I know it's going to get up to 3,000 to 4,000 views in the next weeks to come. So this is the difference between CPM and RPM. So when you are making your content, I will advise that you should not focus mostly on the CPM, as most YouTubers used to say that the CPM is very high, so I make this kind of video. Focus on the RPM instead of the CPM. Another thing is that to have a good RPM, it also depends on where viewers are watching the video from. Like for instance, if you upload a video, or if on your channel most of your viewers are watching from Nigeria, while just few of your viewers are watching from America, United Kingdom, Arab Emirates, and some of these foreign countries, if you are getting more views from all those countries like America, Europe, United Kingdom, Canada, and the rest, your RPM will be very high. Did you know why? The reason is because what the viewers, the activities of the viewers on your channel also count. Like for instance, if an ad pop up on your video and the viewers partake in any of those ads, like for instance, if a Facebook ad pop up on your video and the viewers are interested on the Facebook ad, maybe they say install this app, install Facebook app, and the viewer install the app, your revenue, your RPM has increased because you have done a task. Like when the ad show, you click on it. So every click you click on it, a ad that show on your video contributes to your earning. So for instance, if your ad is showing, if most of your viewers are viewing from Nigeria and some of these African countries, your RPM will be affected also. So another thing is video length. The longer the video, the more they watch, the more longer they watch, the more watch hour you get and the more money you make. So I also advise that if you are making a video on YouTube, try to make it a little bit longer, so that the more they watch, the more watch hour you get and the more money you make on YouTube.